Good day, I am Jerica Adalid and I'm going to tackle about the watershed management. And this will be the topics to be discussed: catchment, watershed and basin, watershed size, what is a sub-watershed? The term watershed is used to describe a smaller area of land that drains to a smaller stream, lake, or wetland. A watershed is a small version of a river basin. Every stream and tributary has its own watershed, which drains to a larger stream or wetland. So, both river basins and watersheds are areas of land that drain to a particular water body, such as a lake or a stream by definition. In any point in the main drainage system can be selected as the basin outlet. As you can see in the picture, from rainfall, it goes down all to the bay. And the bay serves as a catchment because it catches water which falls to earth as precipitation. And the drainage network channels the water from throughout the catchment to a common outlet. The outlet of catchment is the mouth of the main stream or river. And the topmost portion of watershed is known as ridge. And the line joining the ridge portion along the boundary of the watershed is called a ridge line. A watershed may be nearly flat or may include hills, hillocks, or mountain. Watershed size. Three types of watershed are distinguished according to size. Small size, less than 250 square kilometer. Medium size, between 250 square kilometer to 2,500 square kilometer. And large is greater than 250 square kilometer. Small watersheds. They have dominant land face and overland flow, have relatively less conspicuous channel face, and also they are highly sensitive to high intensity and short duration rainfalls. Medium watersheds. Being medium in size, the workability in these watersheds are easy due to accessible approach. Rather than size, shape of the watershed plays a dominant role. Overland flow and land face are prominent. The large watersheds. They have well-developed channel networks and channel face, and thus channel storage is dominant. They are less sensitive to high-intensity rainfalls of short duration because it is a large watershed. Classification of watershed. Watershed has a 50,000 to 200,000 hectares. Sub-watershed has a 10,000 to 50,000 hectares. Melee watershed has a 1,000 to 10,000 hectares. Micro watershed has a 100 to 1,000 hectares. And mini watershed has a 10 to 100 hectare. The left side image is the Mekong River sub-watershed in Southeast Asia, and the right side image is the small streams, and it is an example of mini watershed. And next picture is, we have a small pond is an example of micro watershed, and Lake Lanao watershed in Mindanao, and Lake Como in Italy as Mele watershed. So the question is, what is a sub-watershed? It is a smaller area within that larger watershed, where the rainwater drains to a smaller stream or pond before joining the main flow. So to understand that, so while sub-watershed and watershed might sound similar, remember the city and neighborhood analogy. The watershed is the whole city, and the sub-watershed is just a specific district within it. That is a sub-watershed. References from Watershed Academy Web, Principles of Watershed Management, Singh VP, 1994, Elementary Hydrology Print Test, Hall of India Private Limited, 377 to 406. Thank you for listening and have a great day.